we just slipped down to this spot, and there's one goblin, but he's about a mile away, at the very least 800 yards around this road. We ain't got none goblin as of right now, and they should be, so we might have to go either get on that bird or go try to find a different one. If not, we may ease down through here, or we might go somewhere else and ease up through there and try to get one to cooperate. Trying to get my knees scooted into the tree, so that way I would be completely up against the tree if he come up over here. Unless he come up right here and see us, and then start going around. I don't think he would have seen me there, because I was like this. When he first started putting, I was right here like this. So I don't think he would have been able to see me unless he come up way up here. And then whenever I heard him putt, I just kind of went like this up against a tree. He just got up against it. I think I heard that yelp right there. Yeah. About the time. Yeah, that's what I figured it was. Whenever it come up was a hand, that's why you didn't shoot. Well, I'm roosting turkeys for tomorrow, and I've just got some to gobble right here. Do it again. Ho, 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 ho! Ho, 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 ho! Oh yeah, that's him too. Spooked this morning. One more time. Ho, 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 ho! roosted this turkey in here last night, and I'm about 300, 400 yards up the road above him. I'm gonna drop down just a little bit over this hill and walk out this old road till I get about, I reckon, 150, 100 yards from him, and I'm gonna set up and hopefully we can kill him. You can't compete with a live hen. When I went up here and roosted this bird last night, he's by himself. And he was like another 100 yards around that way and about 100 yards closer to the road. And when I got out of the truck, I heard him gobbling. I could tell he was all the way across the river. Somebody must have come down through here last night and either A, spooked him or something, or those hens roosted across on that side and he went to them. And I reckon find something else to do. Some other turkeys to go after, because he's done shut up and it ain't even 8 o'clock yet. I'll give him a second to see what he does, but if not, I'll go try to find another bird. I'm running on fumes in the truck right now, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm gonna sit here for a minute and listen and see what happens. I was filming some beauty shots, and right down here across the river, them suckers gobbled. There's 2 of them. Some geese flew over and they shot gobbling at them. I just sit here and give them a little bit. They always cross the river and come up this way. That's normally what they do. But I figured they'd already crossed the river by now. I reckon I'll just give them some more time, see what happens. Well, it's about 9 o'clock. It's been a while since I went up in this place, from this way. Last year I killed a turkey about 500 yards around the mountain from right here. But this road goes around this mountain. So I reckon I'm just gonna go up through here and call and see if I can get something to strike up. If not, if I can find some scratching, I'll get set up on it. But other than that, I'm gonna take the walk and see what I can find. Man, I wish a gobbler would do that. I was easing out this road, and I had just stopped and called about 50 yards down the hill. And I was looking at my phone, looking on the map, see how far I was around through here, so I could get where I wanted to sit down, and she yelped. And I just dropped to my knees. She's about 100 yards when she yelped. And I dropped to my knees, and before I could get the camera on the tripod and my gloves on, she was at 15 yards. Why won't the gobblers do it? Well, at least I know there's turkeys here, so I'm gonna keep moving around. Well, I've got up here where I wanna just sit and listen for a minute. On that next ridge over this way is where I shot that turkey last year. I seen that hen, so I know they're in here. Just gotta see if we wanna play the game. It's now about 10:30, 11, somewhere around in there. I sat there for a minute, didn't hear nothing. So, had me a couple of cans of Vienna sausages and an apple, so. I'm gonna go back to the truck, and if I don't hear anything, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. That's that same hen from earlier.